People would want to hire personal injury attorneys for a number of reasons. One of the most important is being able to focus on actually getting better and not having to deal with all the little inconveniences or large inconveniences that may come along with all the insurance that they're not usually used to dealing with. Another main reason that may be more important is the insurance companies have trained investigators and adjusters working on their cases at all times. These are people that are trained on how to value a case and then pay you as little as possible. As a trained personal injury attorney, somebody that works in this profession every day, all day, we know what the value of the cases are, and we're able to get a full and fair return for our clients and not let them be taken advantage of. When people are dealing with tough times, they have a place to turn to, somebody that can walk them through the insurance maze and that has their best interest in mind. My favorite part of being a personal injury attorney is changing the perceptions that are out there. Traditionally, there's been this view of people thinking that an ambulance chaser or they're just in it for the money. And it's fun to see my clients come back to me after the fact and say, you know, you're not the attorney that we expected. What I hope makes me different from other personal injury attorneys is not only how we handle cases with a personal approach, but a professional approach, that we're willing to go back and tell clients whether we think that they're getting the fair end of a deal or whether they're getting the short end of a deal. And if they want to go into court, we're 100% behind them. We're not willing to roll over and take something or tell our clients to take something that is not in their best interest. I'm told in general, the average attorney takes upwards of 2 to 3 years to settle a personal injury case here in the state of Utah. In my office, we average 4 to 5 months from the time they're done treating and we receive their medical records. The way we're able to produce settlements in 4 to 5 months is specialization. This is all we do. We also have the software that really helps us push cases forward, where we're pushing on the insurance companies. We're pushing to get the records that we need. The certifications that help me stand out among my peers, primarily the Personal Injury Training Institute. I'm the only attorney in the Western United States that has actually gone through the Personal Injury Training Institute and passed their certifications, which say that I understand how personal injury works and how the injuries and the dynamics of accidents work. I think it gives me an additional benefit to be able to look at accidents and crash dynamics and understand injuries on a higher level than maybe some other attorneys do. I prefer to sit down with each client individually, to be personally involved with them so they know me and I know them, and there's a personal relationship there. In my office, we've put in place a number of measures that help us maintain good communication with our clients. We know that our clients are required to call us every 30 days, and if they don't, we have warnings and notifications that pop up where we proactively call our clients and ask them, how are you feeling? How often are you treating? And how soon are you going to be done treating? Do you have any questions that we can answer? That way we're staying personally involved in their case. If I had to list the core values in my law firm, it would be honesty, integrity, and caring. Honesty with the clients, that they know that we're not going to do just the best for ourselves, but we're also going to give them honest answers in regards to their own cases. Integrity, because we want to make sure that the value of every case remains high, that we treat each individual person as an individual and not as a number. And caring, because ultimately we care about our reputation, we care about the health of the client, and we care about their long-term benefit. And we want to make sure that all of those are taken care of. I really do want my clients to know that we care about their final outcome, just not financially, but also physically. We want them to get better. We want them to, if possible, not have lifelong debilitating effects from accidents.